Let's have a quick conversation about how to make and sell lip balm online, okay? And so here are the general considerations I want you to really think about when you are about to start a lip balm business online. First of all, it's important to understand that chapped lips are universal problems. Many of us use a balm or stick daily to keep our lips soft and smooth, right? So this is really good because you have a global market. While lip balm may not be something you would immediately consider when looking for a business opportunity, the growing interest in natural lip care makes this necessity a viable product idea. Very viable. Yet, believe it or not, learning how to make lip balm is a marketable skill. You have a lot of folks who actually are on the internet who actually are trying to seize the opportunities here. And you can also sell homemade lip balm. Yeah, homemade lip balm has become an essential lip product for consumers. And so the market research companies across the world are seeing increases in awareness regarding personal care products, especially those containing natural ingredients. So rising lip care issues such as chapping, splitting, and wrinkles is actually, those issues are actually estimated to further propel the demand for a lip balm, especially among Gen Z. Okay, so Gen X and Gen Z. And an increasing amount of men are becoming interested in lip care products as well. So that really sort of expands the market like crazy. So basically, if you are an entrepreneur looking for a new product to sell, lip balm is a solid option for you because a lip balm business offers numerous benefits, including low cost to make, global interest, easy DIY craft to learn, and easy to customize. Okay, but with so many different bases and scents, it's very easy to personalize lip care products and differentiate yourself from competitors. So that's really good. And that's really good. As you can see on the screen here, you are able to actually create something unique. Like here, you have a coconut cacao vegan lip balm. And so you are appealing to a distinct niche here. And because you have a lot of folks who are interested in vegan products and they will love this. Okay, so regardless, it's clear that lip balm can be a profitable venture when done right. It's a good creative outlet because you can produce any type of lip balm possible, and you can easily expand into other product categories if you want to grow beyond lip balm. So let me talk to you about the market segmentation here. So what are the types of homemade lip balm? And so first you have the beeswax lip balm. So what this is basically when it comes to choosing natural ingredients for the base of your lip balm, one of the go-to substances is to use beeswax. Okay. After all, one of the most popular brands of natural lip balm, Burt's Bees, is created from beeswax. Okay. And beeswax pellets are also easy to order, mix well with other lip balm ingredients, and are relatively inexpensive. You can order 1 pound of beeswax pearls or pastils for around $9. You can also try tinted lip balms. Now, while natural lip balm is generally used to treat or prevent chapped lips, plenty of us also like to add a pop of color to our mouth swab while we're at it, right? So it's all about adding some diversities. It's also some style because having a lip balm is actually an ingredient when it comes to fashion as well, especially when you talk about Gen X and Gen Z. So as such, there are a variety of tinted lip balms in various colors, from pinks, oranges, purples, reds, and everything in between. You can create plenty of custom shades using either a small amount of lipsticks mixed in with your recipe or mica powder in your preferred pigment. So that's really cool, and that really expands the market big time. And you can also have medicated lip balms to soothe chapped or dry lips. Many natural lip balm varieties include ingredients to alleviate pain from cracked skin. The most common ingredients include menthol or camphor, which really ease dry lip pain. And homemade lip balm creators can also include a variety of essential oils in their recipe to add other healing qualities such as lavender for stress relief. So that's really cool in terms of expanding the market once again. So if you're selling medicated lip balm, you want to read, and this is an important element, you want to read the Food and Drug Administration, FDA's regulation for cosmetics, packaging, and labeling. Cosmetics are regulated by the FDA, which is strict with how you can package and market lip balm products. You don't want to get fined for not complying with the law when starting your lip balm business, okay? Very important, so you want to pay attention to that. You also want to think about CBD lip balms. Now, CBD lip balms, CBD itself, cannabidiol, is one of the cannabinoids found in the cannabis plants. And unlike THC, CBD doesn't give you a high, really, but it does have therapeutic effects that benefit the skin, like moisturizing dry and chapped lips. So CBD isn't the base of the lip balm. It's often mixed with other ingredients like coconut butter, beeswax, coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, avocado oil, castor oil, or hemp seed oil to create the final products. So you have a variety of ingredients that actually make up the final products. So if you choose to produce CBD infused lip balm, look for the following indicators of safety and quality. Made with US grown hemp, free of pesticides, heavy metals, and molds, contains no more than 0.3% THC, and made by a company that provides proof of third-party testing by an ISO 17025 compliant lab. Those 4 elements are very important. We're going to put this on the screen so you have a clear idea what we are getting at. Okay. You also have vegan lip balms. Vegan lip balms use no animal byproducts in their formulas. They actually cater to consumers who do not eat or use food or any other products derived from animals, be it by preference or for medical reasons. And these lip balms use ingredients like coconut oil, sunflower oil, cocoa butter, vitamin E, jojoba oil, and calendula flower extract to hydrate and protect the lips. They can even come medicated with SPF to protect lips from sun and wind damage. So this is kind of cool. And you also have SPF lip balms. So what is that really? So basically, SPF lip balms offer some sort of sun protection, and they may include ingredients like carrot seed essential oil, red raspberry seed oil, coconut oil, beeswax. You have shea butter and zinc oxide, each of which has its own SPF benefits. It's important to note, however, that products that claim to have SPF may require additional licensing or certification from the FDA. So you want to really ensure that you refrain from claiming protection from skin cancer and skin aging unless you have your products tested by a certified and approved lab. So here's the approach I want you to think about. When you think about how to make and sell lip balm online, let's talk about that. So how do you actually, what are the steps you need to follow? What is the approach you need to really follow? First of all, while there are many varieties of homemade lip balm, it's important to understand that you want to that you have the right strategy in place, right? So basically, you want to gather your ingredients and tools. So before getting started, you'll need to assemble all your ingredients and tools, including beeswax 2 tablespoons. You can purchase beeswax in pearl or pastel from from local farmers markets or online sellers. You need to have shea butter 2 tablespoons, coconut oil 2 tablespoons, essential oils several drops, mica powder 1.5 tablespoons, lip balm containers, plastic pipette for instance, double boiler, and spatula or wooden spoon. And so when I talk about shea butter, for instance, you want to procure some creamy raw shea butter from your bone base from online stores or even Amazon. And so this is kind of cool. With coconut oil, you want to buy this common ingredients from your local grocery store, a bulk buying retail store like Costco or Amazon. In terms of essential oils, you want to have several drops, so whatever scent you prefer for your homemade lip balm. You can find a variety of essential oils at most discount stores. Think Walmart or Target, health and wellness stores, or online from Amazon. Popular essential oils popular essential oils for lip balm include peppermint, lavender, lemon, vanilla, and grapefruit. And what you want to do is you want to combine ingredients, right? Take the beeswax, shea butter, and coconut oil and put them in the top pot of a double boiler. Add some tap water to the bottom pot. Place the double boiler on your stove and turn the heat to medium-high. Once all the ingredients begin to melt in the pot, use a spatula or a wooden spoon to stir and combine. And then what you want to do afterwards is to add your scent. Once all the base ingredients are melted and well combined, remove the double boiler from the direct heat. Keep the top pot above the bottom pot containing the water to maintain the temperature of the ingredients and to prevent the melted balm base from hardening. Next, you want to actually, it's important to understand that you always want to monitor the essentials here, because after the double boiler is removed from the direct heat, begin adding a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the mix. You want to mix in 5 to 10 drops to start, then test the scent. You always have to test the scent to make sure that it is actually it is in sync with what with your vision. And you want to add more essential oil based on your preference. And you also want to add your lip balm color. The color is an important element here. Now that you have added your scent of choice, it's time to add a pop of color to your lip balm mixture. From here, you want to add a pinch of mica powder or a pinch of lipstick to the balm base. So you want to stir to combine the color into the mix and slowly add more powder or lipstick to darken the color of the mixture to your preference. And this is important to really have that. You want to have this this sort of color, darkened color, actually that is in sync with your vision. And once the mixture is combined, spoon the balm into a pipette or a dropper, for instance. And you want to finish off your homemade lip balm. And so once the balm mixture is in your pipette or dropper, transfer the balm into your tins or chapstick tubes. Allow them to cool off at room temperature for several hours. I mean, what we have seen is that 12 to 14 hours is really the average the ballpark here, the standard ballpark here. And after the balm has cooled to room temperature, you are ready to sell your newly created tinted lip balm. And it's one of those things where it has to match your vision, of course. Now let me talk to you about how to start a lip balm business in the first place. I mean, I've explained to you how to really make the lip balm, but it's important to really look at how you can start running a business selling it, right? You want to research the market, because a successful lip balm business will not succeed just from hard work. Think about a niche in the market that is not being filled or a target market you want to reach with your products. I've spoken to you a little earlier about Generation X or Gen Z, okay? Because if you research the market and you target that market, this will attract customers interested in buying your products. Some ideas. So classic lip balm. These are the balms that you carry around and reapply throughout the day. And this is kind of cool. And so Burt's Bees or chapstick will be your competitors. If you think about organic and sustainable, well, these are the eco-friendly buyers. And they are often also vegan and cruelty-free. So vegan cosmetics are expected to represent $20 billion as an industry by 2025. That's huge. Also, luxury. These balms target high-end customers and are typically shared on social media. They use premium natural ingredients and are priced higher. Competitors include Dior, you have YSL, Yves Saint Laurent, and La Mer, etc. So when doing market research, consider what other products you could offer alongside lip balm. It's very rare for a business to succeed selling lip balm alone, and brands often sell other body or skin care products like scrubs, lotions, soaps, etc. And so that's number one, you want to research the market. Number two, you want to choose a catchy lip balm business name. If it looks like you found a target market and good products to sell, you are ready to start planning your brand. This means choosing a business name and logo, both of which will ideally go on your lip balm packaging. And customers like brands with a captivating story, so tying that into your name and logo will help attract actually a lot of attention, okay? And then you want to write a business plan, because you want to actually have the proper GPS for your lip balm business. So a business plan guides your entire journey, as a lip balm maker and a business owner. It helps you properly analyze your competitors so you can stand out in the market, understand what your target audience is looking for, and build a solid plan for promoting your new business. And when writing a business plan, ask yourself, what's the goal for my products? Do I want to be a brand name sold in stores like, stores around the world? Or do I want to create a white label or a private label brand for big stores like Target or Walmart? Do I want to be a premium brand sold only in my retail and online stores? So this will help you narrow down the operational niche that you should go after. So you got to determine your goal and keep it in mind as you create your brand, right? Before you write your business plan, read through the following. We have done several shows about business plan on this show, on this program. So on this channel, and you can really go to those business plan software tools and ask us questions if you will. But we have been really very granular on that front. Consider legal requirements. So do some due diligence around manufacturing and packaging practices. So depending on where you operate the business, you will need to comply with local health and safety standards before selling homemade lip balm to the public. You may want to look into any business licenses you will need to sell in your region. So if you are selling in the United States, a good place to start is the FDA's Small Business and Homemade Cosmetic Fact Sheets. And if you are selling in Europe or in the UK, read the European Commission's Cosmetics Regulations Guide. And you want to start marketing your homemade lip balm business. So you can do it online, for instance, or in person. So online, you have Instagram, Pinterest, giveaways and contests. Email marketing also can be really interesting for you. Also in person. So while many retailers may start up making money online, don't discount in-person sales to reach new audiences and experiment with new products and income streams. Consider setting up face-to-face sales opportunities with your customers. Homemade lip balm, either as a standalone product or as a part of a line of beauty products, can be packaged up and presented beautifully for in-person sales. So whether you prefer to set up a market booth at local craft fairs or attend flea and farmers markets, DIY lip balm creators have a wealth of opportunities to take advantage of in-person sales. And this is really important to think about, especially in the long run. Or if you prefer to dabble in temporary retail, you can try running your own pop-up shop. That's really cool. And or pop-in shop at a beauty or cosmetic store. At this event, not only can you make face-to-face connections with retail customers, you can also chat with potential wholesale customers. And this is really cool. And so the bottom line is you have to always keep trying, right? Always keep trying. So what are the closing arguments here? In today's conversation, I spoke to you about how to make and sell lip balm online. I gave you the general considerations. We spoke about market segmentations, the approach, and now the closing arguments. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.